Welcome. In front of me is an OSCAL Tiger 12, and today I will show you how you can put this phone into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power button, and once you see your boot options, hold power off. This then changes into reboot to safe mode, which we're gonna confirm by selecting OK. Give it a moment, the device will turn off and then boot back up. Once it fully boots up, it automatically boots into the safe mode. Now in that mode, only the pre-installed applications will function. Any application that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled. And the reason for that is it's because this mode is used for troubleshooting your phone. If you have some kind of problem on the software side, maybe you have installed some malicious application or you created one that is crashing your device, you can boot it into this mode and then safely get rid of it, fix your problem, and then reboot the device to get back to normal mode. So you can see widgets in here will not work, and on the second page we have a couple applications that don't work apparently. Bing, luckily, I mean, who wants to use Bing anyway? And we won't see any applications in here because any application that is disabled doesn't actually show up in the app tray for some reason. They only show up in the home screen, and also if you go through settings into apps, it will be visible there for you to manage it from that location. But there's not very many things that I can showcase right here, so there we go. Now one last thing is, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, you can do so by holding the power button and then selecting restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically goes back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.